Should I do it?
Yeah.
I think the third floor is closed.
If only I saw. If only there was a sign somewhere.
Yeah, so this was Crate and Barrel. It was COCO Republic moved in, and now they're closing a month later.
They've only been here for a month.
Yes, sir.
Oh, interesting on the phones on that
I
side.
wonder how much business they lost, or how much money they lost setting this whole store up for 30 days.
Yep.
Now it is. Oh, there's a 700A. It's 700A.
Oh my god.
That was great.
I wanted to film this one, but I couldn't.
I'm just going back to 2.
Go up to 3.
$300A, $700A. That's a $400 upgrade.
Nice.